I think one of the things Chris Doe says is just that he just like straight up says we've raised our rates. His point is that the more competent you get, the less of a risk it is to them. We know even better what we're doing and how to make sure we insure against all possible problems. And to do that requires this budget. He's trying to find ways to articulate the benefits the client is getting. Why would more money mean more benefit to the client? And yet he may not know, and I don't know. Like, you'll have to think about that for any project. But the more you can say, and there is a point to where they go, well, that much money, like, I'm willing to take some risk. Well, then that's a different conversation than it seems easier, right? Then you have to find ways to communicate that it's not easy, or I don't know, without being mean, just educating. There's like, what kind of time actually goes into these things, or you're like, well, it should be easy. And you're like, I'm like, should be. Who knows if it is? You know, Chris says never tell a client, oh, that'll be easy. You never tell them that. You just tell them how long it'll take you or how much you charge. Because, and I know why, because I've said that before and then got into it and realized I misread the situation, and all of it, you're like, oh, this is not easy. But now they're under a certain assumption. So anytime, easy to me is a red flag word. And so I would try some sort of, I don't have all the answers for you on that, but some sort of conversation around that to let you be the one who defines what's easy, and just be in a very helpful way.